How to delete all the comments on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete all comments that you have made on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. Simply go ahead and open up Instagram. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. So once you're here on this page, you want to scroll down and you shall find the option Your Activity here. So you can see your activity option, tap on it. Once you're here, you can see the comments option, simply tap on it. Now here you can see all the comments that you have made. You can sort it out by newest to old dates, all authors and such as well. So what you want to do is you want to simply tap on select option at the top right corner of your screen, and then you can go ahead and select each and every one. Then once you have done so, you can go ahead and delete it right away. So this is how you can delete all the comments you made on Instagram. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.